Totally.
There you go, YouTube. That was Radio National. Waleed Ali was talking to a muso. But it's night time, so we're on night mode. And I'm walking towards my latest piece of warbles on a lot clever buggery. What we're seeing here is the anemometer and the wind direction indicator, and it's now got its very own solar electric light. Isn't that cute? And if you listen really carefully, it's entirely possible that you can hear raindrops, because I think it might be about to start raining. That's pretty good. Now over here we have a somewhat larger solar electric light, and I don't know whether you can quite see, but when I got this one, I was dismayed to find that the underside of the round container, which has all the electronics on the battery with the solar panel on top, it's black plastic, right, which is probably ultraviolet stabilised, but it's not good for reflecting light. So I made a paper reflector, and it's been in there working pretty well for about 3 years. So I'm guessing that must have been, actually it might be, yeah, 3 years. This must be one of the ones that had a pretty good nickel cadmium battery in it. Now, I don't know what these ones cost. Probably about maybe $7 or $10 perhaps. The fire still going over there, carrying on. And oh look, there's another little light over there. I bought 3 of these solar electric LED lights for $6 at the supermarket. And the very first thing I did after one attempt at using them, can you see how brightly that's shining up there? I used liquid paper and I painted the entire underside of the otherwise black plastic, and it's just about doubled the illumination afforded by the $2 solar electric lights. Yeah? Isn't that cute? I suppose I should probably go back over to the one on the weather vane and show you what happens when we spin it. And here we go. Coming back off telephoto now. Wander in. Don't know whether you heard that, but there was a frog hopping around. So as you can see, I haven't quite perfectly centered the light on top of the weather vane, but it's not out of balance enough to affect it. So there we have it, 3 little pinpoints of solar electric LED lights, which means that pretty much, even though it's a new moon, or a day after the new moon, I can go for a walk at night time without having to turn on any of the hut's outside lights and without sucking on the pyramid, which is full of batteries to contain the stored sunlight from the Tower of Power. Yeah, there we go. Imagine that. For $2 you can buy a solar panel, a battery and an LED light in the local supermarket with your groceries. And it lights the place up enough that you can wander around at night time and see what you're doing for 6 hours at night with 8 hours worth of sunlight during the day. I think that's pretty remarkable. I have no idea how they do it for the price. $2 to make a solar electric light with a battery in China, ship it to Australia, sell it in the supermarket, and they make a profit. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Ciao.